Alright, welcome to the FMI Show. It's been a couple weeks since we put out a video. Got a couple things we want to go over and cover, and let's get started. Alright, so first thing up, we're going to bring up Bitcoin real quick, and we're on the hourly, and we've just been boring, trading sideways. A lot of things have come out since our last video with the ETF, being rejected, them refiling, but the price action has just been completely sideways. I mean, if we go to the 4-hour, you can see where we did recover a bit from when we did get that news of the ETF, and we didn't fall down at all when they really said that, when they said they were going to reject it, that there was things in there that wasn't clarified, so they refiled, but we haven't really done any more than just sideways action. Now, what I wanted to bring up is, like, when you go to the 4-hour, we're kind of cooled off right now. You go to the daily, we're still kind of hot here on a lot of the indicators, which could indicate that we might come down a little bit further. But if you want to go out to the monthly, now this one here we were looking at, we're actually getting some bullish signals here, and we might actually print our first green dot since we were all the way back here at that 69,000, which could mean we're going to get a buy signal on the monthly, which we haven't done since around 2019. Around June of 2019 was the last time we printed a buy signal on the monthly, and we're getting kind of close. So just kind of something to, keep in mind, that some of these shorter time frames, when you go to look at them, and this might take a little bit to play out, so just keep an eye on it. All right, so we're gonna bring up ADA here. Bring up ADA up here real quick and see the moving averages on the 4-hour. It just is just really squeezed together. We do have a sell signal that's flattening out. We just been trading in between that 27 and 29 range, 27 being support, 29 being resistance, and just really tight range right now. So I'm looking to see this break pretty soon. If you switch out to the daily, you can see we do have a flattening of the 200-day moving average, and that's running about 34 cents. All right, so if you watched us a little bit, you know that we do like to cover a lot of the community-based projects, ones that just seen some bad luck, maybe had the founder step away, maybe it was a complete rug pull, but the community stuck together, or there was a few members that decided they wanted to rebuild the project. So today we're going to bring up Degenerates. They have done a great job here recently trying to get back going. They've got some contests going on Twitter. We're just going to go over a few things from them real quick. All right, so let's take a look at their floor real quick. They're running around the 23 ADA range, and you just kind of can scroll through, try to find, like, what we like to do when we're in these kind of projects too, is we like to try to find some unique ones. So it's like, here's the first little fishbowl. We like that one. Let's kind of scroll down. We have a little keyhole that seems to be, a little bit rare. You can click in and try to find a rare trait. See, we're already up to 40. We haven't even scrolled that far into the project down here. So definitely, I think they're doing pretty good as far as the rebuilding going, as far as their floor is, for how long they've been trying to rebuild this. We can go and click over to their Twitter. You can see they have released a new roadmap, and this is pretty cool. We can click into that and kind of see exactly what they have planned. They're going to be working on their own token. Here recently, that was a big thing. A lot of meme coins and stuff coming out on ADA. So this would be something to check out as far as their coin release. So this is one I do have some hope for as being a good project as a rebuild. So we can go and look at their chart, and as you see, they were having a resistance at that 20 ADA range, and this is a chart on their NFT, and you can see they're finding that now as support. So that's really good to see that. You can see the volume picked up here in the last month. You know, some of the risks of getting into maybe a rebuild project is, thinking maybe I'm just exit liquidity, people are just trying to get rid of their bags, and I do own some of them, and this is not what I'm trying to do. I've actually, if you can go look at my wallet, a lot of the rebuild projects I hold, I don't flip, and yeah, I like to support them because this one here, I'm not getting that vibe from. I'm really getting they want to rebuild this community and get something going. And if you want to help, we notice now that the JPEG store now has a feature called Sweep NFTs. So you can click on that and you can sweep the very bottom of the floor. You can sit there and add more. If you want to sweep the whole bottom, you can just keep clicking. Or if you just want to do a couple, and this is a cool feature that you can just do multiple buys right off the floor. And let's see, can we buy like mid-range? This is just something I want to check out. So if we want to buy, so you don't have to, with this feature on JPEG Store, you don't have to buy right off the floor. You can just unclick all those and go around and say, hey, I only want to buy this trait. And you can go around and see if you can find all the three-eyed rats here. And then you can buy three, just sweep all three of those right at the bottom. So that's a pretty cool feature to check out too when you're looking through any NFT projects. All right, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Go and say hi to my friends over at Degenerates, and we'll catch you next time.